Hey guys, out here in Cleveland, Georgia on a great big campground with the sun coming up. Been doing a little running this morning, so I'm out of breath. Hey, True Talk Tuesday. You know, in my daily reading, I'm in Ephesians, and Ephesians 3 and 4, pretty convicting, talking about unity, the spirit of unity and the bond of peace. And so I know for a lot of us, we have people in our life that just refuse to be peaceful, that refuse to walk in unity. That's okay. Release them, forgive them, bless them. It says that it's a spirit of unity. So when we choose in to that bond of peace and we choose into that unity, it becomes something more than just a thing we do. The spirit attaches itself to it and we can actually walk in unity with everyone. And again, I know I've had lots of disunity in my life and people who just chose not to. And I learn something from those people every single time. I bless them. I speak the truth in love and establish boundaries, but I don't close my heart to them. I keep my heart wide open and I stay in the spirit of unity and the bond of peace. So God bless you today. Have an amazing Tuesday.